Hi, how is everyone tonight? Tonight we're going to do Days Until Santa Gets Here. I am so fortunate that I have a bunch of these boards, so I stained this really quick this morning, and we're just going to do a really quick, hopefully easy project. The transfer I'm using is called, let's see if I can find the name on it, Countdown to Santa. And it comes with all these cool little pieces. Hi, Mary Ellen. Comes with all these cool little pieces with it. And there's a bonus that I absolutely love about this. So I'm going to use green. This is green MB. I'm not quite sure if we have something like this in the catalog. I guess I should have looked. I'm still trying to go through some of my older colors. And I'm not quite sure. I'm going to have all these colors kind of ready. I didn't clean out usually I wash all my tools, and I did, but I didn't take them and put them back to the original one. I like to have one container to drop my dirty tools in, and one for my clean ones. Okay, so we'll stir my red. So I'm going to use very Christmassy colors. The red, the green. I guess I did stir the white already. Stir up some white. I'm going to add a little bit of water to my white. Oh yeah. It's like marshmallow fluff. You just add a little bit of water and it kind of comes back. Okay. So we have that. Okay. And I'm going to have my gold sparkle because we will put a little bit of gold on there. Okay, so I think I'm going to do this in white. This will be about the same size as the little snowman board that I did the other day. Maybe a little bit shorter. There's that. I'm not really good about leaving my color covers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that dry, and then we're going to work on this down here at the bottom, the big ornament. Jenny. It's awful quiet in here tonight. Now we start with the glitter paste first because the glitter paste does take a little bit longer to dry. Do the bow in red. Hi, Charlene, you're up awful late. Okay, then I'm going to do the very top part of this too, gold. And then we'll just peel up that part. I'm going to kind of hold it. So now I'm going to try and be brave. I want some of it, I want to kind of use a couple different colors. So let's see if we can do it. I'm going to have my multi-sticks ready. So let's start with a red. Whoops. I know how that is. I'm doing my chalking a little bit later than you normally do, but I'm ready for bed. Ready for bed. And I had a heck of a time trying to get a fire started because it's very chilly tonight. Very wet and rainy. We actually had a little bit of snow today, but it didn't stick. Jenny. She's into the kitty food. I like it. I love how much this transfer changed because we used to have one of these, but this is like perfect. Almost there. Nope, we want red. Hi Mary Lou, hi Loretta. It's gonna be super cute, I'm super excited. So who remembers the old cup hooks? The little tiny gold ones that you spin in underneath your cabinet? Well, I was thinking today, I go, this with the numbers, the chalk chips that we have, the white or the black, fit right inside this circle. It's perfect. So you can get a set of 12 chalk chips in white or black and chalk your numbers on there. Got a little bit of red in there, but oh well. You can chalk your numbers on there, so you would have 24 numbers and punch holes in them, do them double-sided, and then you can just put them on the cup hooks. So I have to pick up some cup hooks tomorrow because I couldn't, of course, find one tonight. You know, when you look in a miscellaneous drawer, you usually can find one. Not tonight. How cute is that? Okay, we're almost done. I gotta wipe off my... There's that. And do the red. That like worked out so perfect color-wise. Cute. So the best part about these transfers is that we can use this over and over again. So say you have some children that are expecting Santa to come, you can make a whole bunch of these up for gifts for them. And you only have to buy one transfer. Sorry guys, I'm just closing up this before we get... The dogs are getting restless because they know it's about time for Papa to come home. They get a little antsy. Okay, so on this, I'm going to do days until Santa gets here. Santa stops here. We'll do Santa in red. Sorry, it's my red is really thin, so I kind of have to spread it a little bit. And then we'll do stops here in green. There we go. Put my extra back in there. And so it does come with, now that you guys can see all the way down here, it does come with these it does come with the numbers. So see the numbers. And I'm not going to cut this part out yet, but you can do a whole set of them. Put your little cup hook here, and you can change this out for every single one. But how stinking cute is that? You could do that in white, or you could even use a black one. I'll show you. Actually, I don't know if I have any black ones right now. I don't have any black ones right now. But if anybody's interested in getting this and doing this as a little project, this is so cute and it was so much fun. So this will be one of my classes that we can teach, or I can set you up with the supplies to make your own. So let me know. And of course, if you'd like to do what I'm doing and teach other people how easy this is, I would love to have you join my team. Thank you so much for watching tonight. And you guys have any questions, let me know, okay? Have a good night. Bye-bye.